Imagine you could monitor all the activity of a city at 5-minute intervals. You could see people's position, how they were moving, in which way. Well, is it a dream or a nightmare? If you're interested in describing the city, in urban studies, in traffic engineering, this could be a dream scenario. But on the other hand, if you're thinking about privacy, this could be a nightmare scenario. And well, the Mobile Landscape Project is really dealing with these issues and trying to make them public in order to engage with how this data should be managed, what is this data about, and really how we can use it.
Basically, what we have been doing is constructing 3 different kinds of maps about the city of Graz in Austria. And the first type of map, which is the intensities map, shows how different regions and parts of the city vary in intensity over different times of the day. So one sees a particular area of the city become more intense in cell phone usage, while the other parts are less intense. The second type of map that we constructed was a map that shows where and when the phone calls originate from and to where they go in the city. So this builds a map of sort of phone call jumps in real time and showing how the phone connections in cell phone networks are happening. And finally, the last type of mapping allows us to get individual people in Graz to voluntarily agree to be tracked on our map. So this happens by having them send an SMS to a free phone number which activates their tracking, and then they will be followed based on their location in relation to the cell phone towers in the city.
This project would not have been possible without the cooperation of A1 Mobilcom in Austria. Specifically, they provided us with this large database of cell phone data and usage that we were able to incorporate into this project.
Well, we got the data collected in Austria, and then the data is transferred in real time to our server here at the university at MIT, where it is analyzed and then mapped. And then, again, in real time, we send back the map to the exhibition site that in Graz in Austria.
So data about the position of cell phone users has always been available. However, it's only been available to the providers of the cell phone service, and they use this data to figure out where to position their cell phone towers so they can maximize their service. However, with this project, we're making the data available to the public so that people in planning or transportation can use these maps and figure out where people are for other purposes, and this is something that hasn't really been done before.